Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study trigonometry. First, grasp the 6 basic trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. These are the building blocks. Next, commit fundamental identities, such as sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1 to memory. Finally, practice drawing and labeling right-angled triangles. This visualization is crucial for understanding the relationships between angles and sides. To master trigonometry, create a personal formula sheet. This allows for quick reference and consistent review of key identities. Don't just memorize, practice deriving identities from the basic ones. This active learning approach solidifies your understanding. Pay special attention to angle sum and difference formulas, along with double and half-angle identities as they appear frequently. When tackling problems, begin with simpler exercises and gradually move to more complex ones. This builds confidence and skill progressively. For challenging problems, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This systematic approach makes solutions clearer. Always review solved examples thoroughly, understanding the underlying logic and methods used. This reinforces learning. Consistent practice is key. Aim to dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to solving trigonometry problems. Regular revision of all concepts and formulas is equally important. It helps reinforce your memory and understanding. Actively identify your weak areas, perhaps by reviewing incorrect answers, and then focus extra practice on those specific topics to turn them into strengths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.